So should you, as a content creator, videographer, or vlogger, buy the Hollyland Lark M1? It's a wireless mic system that's super light and compact and perfect for anyone who's run and gun creators. It's super fast and easy to set up than any traditional wireless microphone system. It'll make anyone's workflow faster. No need to rely on a shotgun mic or use a mic that's attached to a camera, or even remembering to replace your batteries. So Lark M1 can reach all the way to 650 feet, and as you can see, I'm really far away from here and it works fine. And as you guys can probably tell, I'm actually recording the audio with the Lark M1 for this video right now. Yo, what is up guys? Sam Pack here, back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Lark M1 by Hollyland. And huge shout out to Hollyland for sending this out for review. And full disclosure, I'm not being paid by Hollyland to say anything except for my honest review. But with that said, let's get started. So there's actually a couple of different versions of the Lark out right now. There's the new Lark Max and the C1 or the 150. And the one we have here is the Lark M1, which is priced at around $129 and is packed with quite a lot of features. So what you're gonna get in the box is a carrying case, the charging case, one receiver that goes to the camera or the phone, and two transmitters, which are the microphones. And if you want to use this with your mobile device, you're gonna have to buy additional lightning or USB-C cables. So taking a look at the design of the M1, I really like how small and compact this microphone system is. And compared to other similar mic systems out there, the M1 is narrower and skinnier, and in my opinion, it looks a lot better than those squarish looking microphones from DJI or Rode. The transmitter's dimensions is 48 by 21.5 by 10 millimeters, and the receiver is 48.3 by 27.6 by 11 millimeters. So this is a pretty small size, and they weigh only about 0.4 ounces. And the way to use this is that you can have this clipped on inside or outside of your shirt, but always be mindful of the top of the mic is not being blocked, otherwise you're gonna have some muffled sound. Or you can hold it like this and hold it like a handheld microphone and do an interview style like this. And I use this mic a lot to record a lot of ambient sounds as well. So a full charge time in the case is about an hour and a half, and they can last up to 8 hours of recording time when it's fully charged. And the case can fully charge the receivers twice, giving you up to 20 hours of operation. Also, each receiver and transmitter has a direct USB-C port, so you can charge it separately if you need to. And there's 3 different volume presets that you can toggle between them. It's just high, middle, and low presets. Some people might want to have more control over this, but for me, this makes things a lot easier, especially for run and gun shooters. And these microphones are omnidirectional, so they pick up the sound from any direction. And the M1 uses a LC3 codec and can record up to 48 kilohertz and 16-bit audio. And you could choose a bunch of different devices with this, and there's a TRS to TRS cable that lets you connect to your camera, a TRS to TRRS to connect a 3.5 millimeter jack, and TRS to USB-C for iPads or the new iPhones, or a TRS to a lightning cable to connect to an older iPhone. So I mostly use this to connect to my iPhone because this is the quickest way for me to do voiceovers for my short form content. And I even use this for a real-time unboxings or even just doing quick sound tests for my keyboards. So pretty much anything quick and fast, I can always grab the M1 and connect it to my camera or my iPhone to film it really quick. And lately I've been grabbing this every time I film anything. I just attach it to my camera and have it either attached to myself or leave it somewhere to capture ambient sound. So as far as sound quality, I actually really like it. It captures the voice pretty well. It doesn't make that warbly or thin sound, especially on wireless microphones. It's definitely not the same as using a shotgun mic, of course, but for me, I'm willing to trade off a little bit of quality for more convenience, and that's why I really like this microphone system. So here's with the noise suppression turned on, and you can probably hear some of the background noise turned off, but it's pretty loud out here. The music is still going. Maybe you guys can hear a little bit, but let me know what you guys think. I do want to test out the other wireless systems out there. Hey, yo, DJI, bro, where you guys at? But for now, I'm really happy to have the Lark M1 as part of my content creating workflow. So my overall thoughts on the Lark M1, I highly recommend it because of the small form factor, long battery life, the reliable wireless transmission, and the sound quality is really good and at a really great price. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I got a lot more tech review videos coming soon, as long as other collaborations that I can't wait to share with you guys. So be sure to hit that notification button so you don't miss a video. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.